it is a unconstitutional body. Unconstitutional body means that it is not already in the constitution. You remember that when we were doing pol science, in that time I told you, no, from where the governments get their power. The governments get their power from the constitution. In the constitution itself, like if we talk of the Indian constitution, the union list, the state list, the concurrent list, and the subjects are mentioned already in the constitution. Clear? But when this commission, we are talking about the Simon Commission, when the Simon Commission was formed, why this specific name was used? Because this was formed by the government and it was not given as a provision in the constitution itself. Now, the Simon Commission was formed to look into the functioning of India, and it had to see in the previous 10 years. Clear? Starting from 1919, because the Government of India Act was formed, and whatever changes, that how suitable it was, what problems were there, what changes the government need to do. So look up into all these matters, the Simon Commission was formed. Now, when the Simon Commission landed in India, it was boycotted. Boycotted means that there was a strong protest against the Simon Commission, and the slogans of Simon Go Back were raised by the people. Why they were raised by the people and why the commission was boycotted? Because no Indian person was involved in the commission. In this commission, it was complete British commission under the leadership of Sir John Simon. Sir John Simon was made the in charge of this commission, and when this commission landed in India, it was boycotted. One very important incident is connected with this boycott. Lala Lajpat Rai was one of the protesters, because at that time we all were not as divided as we are today. At that time we were fighting for nationalism and there were protests. So Lala Lajpat Rai was also one of the protesters to protest against the Simon Commission. And when the British police saw, or the police saw that the protesters were approaching and they might get violent, the police resorted to lathi charge. And Lala Lajpat Rai also suffered a lathi blow. Okay? And as a result, he was fatally injured. We use the word fatally injured means because in the month of November, yes, afterwards, Lala Lajpat Rai died. Clear? So this one incident is connected with the Simon Commission. And after this is 1929, so we are approaching towards 1930. So in the year 1930, now the Congress decided that we will not be satisfied with Swaraj, that is self-rule, that maybe under the British Crown, we will have our own government to rule. But now the Congress changed its plan of action and now it wanted to fight for, yes, Purn Swaraj, that is complete independence. And as a result, on 26th January 1930, they first time celebrated the Independence Day. 26th January 1930. For the first time, they celebrated the Independence Day. Clear? That is why in 1950, clear? We got independence in 1947. So I am mentioning the year 1950. Therefore, in 1950, when the Constitution was implemented or enforced or came into being, that is why 26th January was selected as the date, keeping the importance of this date in 1930 in mind. Clear? 26th January 1950 is celebrated as Republic, the first Republic Day. Of course, after that, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. And why this date was selected? Because it had an historic importance that in 1930 we celebrated it as the first Independence Day. And now the people wanted that we should get complete independence. That is, so Mahatma Gandhi ji had to find a way to relate this abstract idea of freedom to more concrete issues of everyday life. अब महात्मा गांधी जी ने देख लिया था कि first he had seen that why the non-cooperation movement had to be called off. अब हमने अपना target जो था वो increase कर लिया. We had a different target now, but he knew that we cannot achieve this target successfully until and unless we make some solid plans. Concrete because when we are using concrete for buildings, clear, because it is because of the strength of the material, to give strength to. Similarly, to give more strength to our freedom struggle, he now thought that we have to adopt such action plan which is connected with day-to-day life of the people, so that people can relate with that. उस प्रॉब्लम को समझेंगे और उसके साथ then वो reality way में उसके साथ participate करेंगे. Clear? So this is the meaning of the word concrete. And with this, the next step is the starting of the salt march. And with the salt march is the starting of the civil disobedience movement. We have already done this in detail, right? So I don't think so. All right, sir.